Hello, this is an Efco Series LR 44P lawnmower with a Briggs & Stratton XC35 engine. Takes the same petrol as your normal lawn, well, your car. 3 pumps on the primer. Normally one tug on the pull cord and it starts up straight away. Problem. This is hand propelled version, it's not self propelled. There's tight setting on each of the wheels. It runs and does the job as it should. It's freshly sharpened blades, all been serviced, all cords checked over. Large grass box, no holes, no dents, no splits. Holds the grass without it all blowing all over your garden. And no dents, holes or rust in the deck itself, just a few minor chips expected with a used lawnmower. And it's in, other than the chips there, it's in great condition. And thank you for taking the time to look at this video, and best of luck with your bids.